All right, seventh graders, here we go. So simplifying expressions part two. All right, so we're going to do second part here. If you're still unsure about this or you want to test yourself a little bit or whatever, hopefully you're finding one of your homework problems on here. I want you to turn from this person to this person when you understand more and more and you watch a little bit more, okay? So if you start off with this and you have a question like the following, you say, huh? How do you do this? Oh my goodness, I'm going to freak out. No, 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 no. You don't do that at all. So feel free to pause this, try it out by yourself, and check to see if this is how you do it. What's that?
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. La, 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 la. This is how we do it.
All right, all right. So, okay, so we're going to go. Let's see. Inside my parentheses, I cannot take x and add 2 to it. Can't do it. No, no, no. Not like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute. 5 times x gives me 5x. 5 times 2 gives me 10. Over here, I get negative 5 times y. Well, that's negative 5y. Negative 5 times 3, negative 15. Over here, they had no distributing going on, so we're just going to go ahead and write those out. Now we get to play a fun little matching game. Yay! All right, let's start off with the x's. Let's say, hey, 5x. Where else do I see anything that says x? Ah, right here. Those two together combine to give me 3x because I'm adding those together. Next, I'll go with my y's. So here's y. Here's another y, and it so happens that those are exact opposites of each other, so they disappear. Last but not least is my constant. Here are my two constants. I can add those together. Say 10 minus 15 gives me negative 5. And so that's my simplified version of this long piece of information right over there. Okay, we're going to try one more problem here. Again, feel free to pause the video and attempt this by yourself before you get to see the solution. All right, so here we go. One last one. Let's go. I see inside the parenthesis, before I distribute, I can actually make this a little bit easier because these are like terms. So I'm going to rewrite this problem. Get 8d minus 2 times the quantity of 3d minus 5d is negative 2d. All right, next I'm going to now distribute. I take this here and I'm going to multiply it with the inside part. So 8d stays the same, but negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and then there's my d. And sure enough, these two are like terms. I can combine them together, and I get 12d. 12d. So hopefully you went from feeling maybe a little bit like this guy, and you say, hey, no time for sadness. Get out of here. Videos help me remember this stuff. So feel free again to watch it over and over again and see what works out good for you. All right? Excellent.